Hi, welcome back to another one of my videos. And today, yes, thank you guys for your comments. I guess like some of you guys like my new setup to do my videos. And yeah, today I'm just gonna do the updated video of comparing the Mystery Ranch street mask to the other mask that I have. Because now we're like slightly out of the peak of the coronavirus or the COVID-19. We're not really, we're just exiting the peak and everything, but we're not really post corona COVID-19 yet, because numbers are still pretty unstable and maybe slightly on the rise in big cities like Tokyo, with like 40 50 over people over the past few days. So mask, who would have thought like a mask will become like a necessary item for us, for every one of us to carry and to put on when we're out there in the streets, like in Singapore. If you're caught out there in the street without a mask, they fine you, like pretty hefty, a couple of $100, I don't know, maybe to $1,000, I'm not sure. But yeah, it is what it is. Like a mask, based on my knowledge, it used to be like in the Wild West movies, that I saw, the good, the bad, the ugly, Clint Eastwood movies, any movies of the Wild West, where, bandits, they would put a scarf around their face to cover their identity, and Red Dead Redemption 2, the game, that's what masks are for. But now, mask is part of our daily fashion, outfit of the day. So yeah, let's just dive right into the video. I'm wearing this an old shirt that I used to, have sitting around the closet somewhere. It's Attack of the Titans a shirt that is in coyote as well, like tan. Mask really blends in. Okay, this Mystery Ranch street mask, I wore it like half a day the other day when I was out, and I would say it's very comfortable. It provides a very good coverage of my face, but the one very little complaint that I have is that the material, the part that touches the nose bridge, I wish there's a little like cushion there, or the Mystery Ranch would use a slightly softer material, because when you move your head around here and there and you try to adjust it here and there, and it's so hot in summertime, the nose bridge here tends to get a little slight bit of abrasion from this fabric. May not be the softest fabric, and then the wire, the bendable nose piece here, put a little bit of, just a very tiny bit of weight on your nose. So yeah, it might cause some abrasion on the top of the nose bridge. So that's just one minor complaint about the mask. But other than that, it fits perfect. I mean, this cords and everything, the TPU bands and everything, it's really comfortable. I really like it. So I'll just start the video with me wearing this mask one more time to see how it goes. Okay, gotta put it over yeah, my hat. And then put the mask down. Okay, and then tighten it up. Yeah, that's how it is. Very, very nice, very comfortable mask. Provides excellent coverage. To keep you to reduce the chances of infection when you're out there. But like all masks, this cloth mask, do not it's not made with glasses in mind. So like every other mask out there, except the 3M mask, any other paper mask or cloth mask out there, when you wear glasses, like you normally position it above your nose, when you breathe out, chances that you will fog the inside of your lenses. There's just no two way about it. So you can put anti-fog cream solution to prevent fogging on the inside of the glasses, or you can wear the mask slightly higher and drop your glasses below, around here. Make you look like an old grandpa. But there are ways to get around it. But masks, this masks are not made with people wearing glasses in mind. So you can wear contact lens or something else, but it's gonna fog the inside of your glasses. No, I mean, there's no way to get to I wouldn't say there's no way to get around it, but you can probably figure out how to get around it. But yeah, that's it. It's about this mask. Comfortable, awesome mask. And I'm just gonna remove it. Okay. Okay. Ow. That's the one of the bad things about working in a tiny little office. Okay, next, here, the controversial Abenomask. You know, every household in Japan, no matter how many people you have in the household, the government will give you 2 of this cloth masks. 2, you know. And it seems like in Japan, I saw the news and a lot of other information out there. A lot of people are actually donating this mask to others who might not have the ability to get masks, or to people who needs it more than you know, regular folks. But I will probably just give out or donate this mask. But for the sake of this video, I would just open up one brand new mask and I probably disinfect it and give it out, or you know, whatnot. So this is how it is. You know, it comes in this little bag that tells you information about the mask, how to wear it, and you know, whatnot. And apparently this mask costs like a few dollars to be made. My family, you know, my wife and my children, my kids, I mean, many of the ladies or the guys I know with a sewing machine will be able to make masks like that. So it's just like a mask, cloth mask with many layers of cloth inside. And you know, this mask costs like billions of taxpayers' money. And okay, that's how it is. Oh, it smells funny. Okay, I don't know, I probably should wash this. Maybe it smells funny. So yes, this is what the Abenomask looks like on my face. You know, it doesn't cover anywhere at the bottom of my chin, my jawbone. It doesn't cover anywhere above my nose. It's small. It's like the kind of mask you see Japanese kids wear in elementary school when they are serving food. It's tiny, and there were complaints that this mask were tiny for adults. But you know, Abe-san kind of defended his actions and say that the masks were made according to the, you know, the standard size for adults. But I don't know. To me, the mask is useless, straight out. You know, no doubt about it. It doesn't offer any form of coverage. Like when you wear it over your face, it creates this gap here that you can put your finger in and touch your mouth and nose. So basically, what this mask is, it's just it's just gonna cover your nostrils and your mouth like that. That's it. And then when you put your fingers in, you can actually touch the inside. You know, it's you know, I mean, if you're gonna give out, you know, masks during that time, you know, when masks were all out of stock, I appreciate the gesture, but whoever came out with this idea, you probably should sack that guy, man. With, you know, taxpayers' money going into these masks, you know, the manufacture of these masks and the distribution, you know, the cost of shipping out all these masks, I'm sure the government would, you know, be better off giving us hand sanitizers or something else. You know, this is like, it's useless. Most of us would not use it, you know. So good effort, but just poor thought out, you know, poorly thought out. And this is the mask that I wear during the COVID-19. You know, when we're reaching the peak in March, no, in April, yeah, I was wearing this mask. So now that I got my mystery range mask and now a regular paper mask, you know, disposable paper masks are all out there easily available. I'm just gonna keep this in my Ziploc bag, always ready, and it'll be always with me when I'm out of the house, just in case one of these masks or any of the masks fail, or I need to give myself superior protection against anything, you know, that's being thrown at me. So this will still remain in my inventory as you know, last minute measure for anything that you know, when I'm out there. And this is the only mask that I would strongly recommend people to wear if you want the ultimate protection. And it doesn't, you know, it creates a perfect seal around your face. It doesn't allow anything to go in or go out except through the inhale ports and the exhale ports, and it doesn't fog out your glasses. But the only thing is that these masks might be an overkill for some, because it's really in your face, you know, but it looks cool. Let's just, okay, I'm just gonna wear this mask on. Okay, yeah, I'm back. You know, how do I look?
Yeah, this is still the ultimate master. Okay, never mind.
I don't think anyone can hear me in this mask. I gotta talk really loud, but yeah, these would still be the ultimate mask to offer you the best protection when you're out there in crowded places, in the trains and whatnot. But it tends to get a little stuffy inside there for prolonged use, and you have, like I mentioned in my previous videos, you need prior knowledge to get this mask to fit it onto your face properly. You need to do a test fit to make sure the inhale and exhale ports are working, and there's no air leaks around your face. So it might be a little bit troublesome for some, but well, these are the must to wear if you're out there, unless you're going for a full face respirator, but yeah, this is really good. So yeah, back to the mystery range mask. Really comfortable. I got lucky. Why is my mask all tangled up? Okay, never mind. Yeah, but the one I got here, I don't know why it's all tangled up. Okay, the one I got here is actually not in coyote, but it's in tan. I always thought it was in coyote, but checking out the colors and everything, it seems like it is in tan and not coyote. Coyote is slightly darker than this. Tan, it's not bad. It works great for me, and I got the one with the black TPU band. It's not like I chose the band, when I got it online or something. The band came with it. It's just black, So yeah, this is a really comfortable mask. Definitely way better than the Abenomask, and less of a hassle than the 3M mask. So mask has become like a everyday item now. Maybe some of them like a fashion statement when you go out there, like who's got the coolest mask. Um, so yep, this is it. The updated video of the mystery range mask versus the other mask. I decided not to do the regular paper mask because everyone knows what a paper mask or a surgical mask, the little blue greenish one is. So those masks offers like really the best ease of use. You pop them on, you take them off, you throw it away. But everyone seems to be donning a mask these days. I saw like a program the other day on TV, in the Japanese TV, that kind of like teaches people how do you actually remove the mask when you're eating lunch or something. I mean, you wear your mask out there when you clean everything, but there's a way to actually remove the mask when you're eating out there in the stores, and whatnot. And the way they teach us is that you remove your regular paper mask by holding by holding the little straps behind your ear, and try not to touch the inside of the mask or anywhere outside of the mask or anywhere of your face that's being exposed. You don't know where which part of the surface has contamination. So you remove your mask. Oh no, hold on. Before you do that, you put a clean piece of tissue paper on a table and you take out your mask, and then you make sure you face the mask down so that the outside of the mask is facing up, and try not to touch anything on the inside of the mask. And then you put another piece of tissue paper on top of the mask to sandwich, the mask, two tissue paper, the mask in the middle, sandwich it and put it on the table, or you can fold it and put it in your pocket. They don't really recommend you to put a mask down, beneath your chin, and then put it back, because when you're wearing a mask, the bottom of your face, this part here, is being exposed, so there might be contaminants on the bottom of your face. So when you pull your mask down and it touches the bottom here on the inside of the mask, the contaminants might get into the inside of the mask, and then when you pop it back up, you're breathing in the contaminants. So the way to do it when you're eating, when you need to temporarily remove your mask, is to put a tissue paper, take out a mask, don't touch the inside. Mask the outside of the mask facing up, the inside of the mask facing down, and a piece of tissue paper on top. Sandwich it. Do whatever you have to do. Make sure you wash and clean your hands, clean your face and everything, and then don't touch the inside of the mask. Remove tissue paper, pop your mask back on, adjust, and then dispose of the tissue paper. That's a program on Japanese TV that teaches us how to properly remove the mask when you're eating and something like that. So you may want to take note of that. But in the meantime, I really want to thank you guys for your support, for checking out my videos. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do. When I hit a certain a criteria, a number of watch hours, subscribers, I might just give out one of these masks. I have like a couple of them in my house. I'm just using one, and I got a few for my family members, and extended families, but some of them may not want it, so I might just yeah, give it up. You never know. So yeah, subscribe to my channel, tell your friends about it, and and help me clock out more hours. And it's a an ending note. I'm actually pretty excited for the PlayStation 5. So we'll see how. We'll see how. Probably yeah, in the future. In the meantime, take good care, and stay safe out there. Okay, I'll see you guys in future videos. Bye.